Hi, I'm Ashley Leach. I have a disability, cannot walk. Hurricane season is here. Are you ready? First, you should make your house safe. Check the windows, the roof, check around the trees, make sure they're cut properly. Strong wind blows, it doesn't fall on your house. Let's talk about the shelters. Make sure they're wheelchair accessible and make sure they have a ramp and make sure you have someone or to accompany you up to the ramp. Let's start with emergency kits. So you guys can put like clothes, food, water, medication, even band-aids, batteries to keep for the news, and most important of all, you need a flashlight just in case the current goes off that you can see around the house. Hurricane season is here. Are you ready?
This message is brought to you by the Department of Emergency Management.